So Vaden Loftis needs to be the name of a character in a story, or somebody needs to find the story of Vaden Loftis, who came from Ireland, born in 1765, died in 1851, buried in, I don't know what to consider this town. This is Big Hill Cemetery, and it's in Headwaters National Forest, State Forest, Headwaters State Forest, near the South Carolina line, in the mountains, along the Continental Divide. So this Vaden Loftis came to the highest point of the mountains and said, all right, I'll settle here. Like, that's his story. There's a huge homestead across from this. I kind of wanted to walk around the cemetery across the street and just kind of get a feel for how old these stones are. But some of these, I'll never know. In very, very old cemeteries, you can sometimes find historians that have a list of names of people, but like they don't really know where to tell you to look for them, as far as like a gravestone, or headstone. Some of them just don't have headstones anymore, and that kind of thing. But seeing a really, really old one kept up, that's pretty cool. Somebody may have, most likely they replaced the original stone, but it was very clear who it was, and so they made a newer one later, maybe, But this does look old. That's another thing. If they made this in 1851, then they made it really, really well, because a lot of stone like this, it's hard to read after this amount of time. Vaden Loftis. All right, that's it.